navigate to IKEA. So I just tapped the phone once and immediately it recognized my query, IKEA. It's now going to do a Google search for that term matched against my GPS location. So it knows where I am, and it's going to bring up my search results here. And because it knows I'm here in Mountain View, the nearest IKEA is actually just up the street in Palo Alto. I'm going to tap on that. That's the second tap. And now I get turn-by-turn navigation directions.
Start the Micello application and do a quick search for IKEA. There it is on the map. Click on it and get more information. Now click on Enter Map. That's it. You are now inside the IKEA store in Palo Alto on level 1. Look around, explore, check out the different areas. Since you're at the store, you're probably looking for something. Do a search for desks, and now you can find all the areas in IKEA where you can find a desk. Micello is now available on Apple's App Store. Get maps of hundreds of places today.